How to set Google Messages to send an MMS reply to all recipients group MMS on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then we tap on the profile icon at the top corner. Then in here we scroll down and tap on messages settings. Next we then scroll down and tap on advanced. In here tap on group messaging. From here we then scroll down and choose send an MMS reply to all recipients group MMS. Okay, so you can send it as a group MMS, or you can choose a mass text. So you have two options when you are using group messaging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.